Alright guys, I'm doing unpackaging. Probably not what you expect. My details all over the package. I'm going to hold off a little bit. You can look at other things. So 3 items. And this, and this. So this is from a clothing brand that I often order from, Vuori. It's kind of like sports menswear stuff, gear and stuff. Menswear clothing. It's kind of like Lululemon. It's a bit more menswear oriented. They have women's as well, but they have I would say more men's clothes. And you can look at my old videos and you'll know that I feature Lululemon men's at times, but the fit model or something changed, and that used to fit me really good. Now it's not quite as good for me, so I switched over to this Vuori brand that has a better fit. It's a little wide in the middle still, but it's better than current 2022 Lululemon. And I got these in high rotation, and this is the Tuvalu T in a large. I ordered my normal size. I like this one because it has more natural fibers, cotton in it. They have some synthetic ones, and they're okay as well, but I just prefer the Pima cotton. It's the majority of the material is the cotton. So I got it in this moss green color. I don't remember the exact name here. Eucalyptus. 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 It's light green. Okay, so why? What's the deal? Why more? Well, okay, so one deal is that for, let's say, people that are remote working and you want to look professional, but you don't have to be like in a suit and tie. Collared shirts are kind of the default, rather than, sometimes you can get away with t-shirts depending on your role, but kind of at least in the summertime, a collared shirt is the better way to go. And a short sleeve is what I prefer for high rotation. Now there's exceptions, important meetings, etc., that you want to boost your look, but for a routine, remote worker job, depending on your role, collared short sleeve shirt from one of these brands is what my current working theory. It does feel lightweight. It is a bit synthetic. That's my quirk. Some people don't care. And this is the Stratotech Polo Charcoal Heather, and I got a large men's. So I'm going to show you. So that's that. 3 buttons, collar, charcoal gray, almost black. Something to consider if you're a remote worker. That you need to look nice, you need to look professional, and you don't want to go the standard polo shirt with the logo, the preppy logo. I have some, that was the style for years, but I'm not a huge logo person. And what I also got going into summertime is some new shorts, gray shorts, and this is more for me. It's not a work thing. If you're on camera, it doesn't really matter what you wear on the bottom, but I'm trying out some gray Vuori shorts that are more than sport shorts. The stitching looks nice. Got the brand on the inside here. No big logos. Nothing huge. It's kind of, these aren't the shorts you go play basketball in. These aren't the shorts you go running or anything like that. But they're pretty sporty. Go out to dinner in them. Go walk, play golf maybe. Standard pockets up front, flat front. Two pockets in back, one kind of open and one with a zipper. belt buckles, belt loops. It's got a button. Okay, not bad. So let's try these on. I like that they're not tight. That's good. 33 is my normal size. If they're going to be too tight, I'm not going to wear them. Button's really hard to put through the hole for some reason. Okay. So they're comfortably loose. I may have to wear a belt, but I think that I like the little bit of a baggy, kind of low riding effect, because I won't wear them if they're too tight digging into me. So they're not like below the knee or anything, they're not like really long. It's definitely synthetic. They could get a little hot at times, a bit stretchy. Not bad. Okay. Right. Goal achieved for the day. Got that going for me. Looking up. Alright, so we try on a shirt. Where do I put my microphone? Shorts, maybe? Alright, let's do the t-shirt and kind of expect or know how that's going to work. Light green, moss, eucalyptus. What? I don't know, I like these ones. I have black and all kinds of colors. Not bad. It's a little bright. Goes with the shorts. I would definitely say don't oversize your shorts too much. Go with your standard size. But if I got one up, they would definitely not fit. Maybe a 32 would be okay. There's definitely some gap, probably down a little bit in weight too, but I like. So far so good. Shirt's very bright. On camera it looks good. Alright, it'll be in rotation. Normal wear. I can kind of pull it in a little bit on the sides. The length is good. I don't like my t-shirts when I raise my hands. My whole stomach is showing too much, so I like them a little long. But for, you know, I don't want it tight, but I could pull it in a little bit on the sides. But it's good. All right, let's try the polo shirt. It is kind of thin material. Hopefully that won't be. Sometimes I think some of the synthetic style shirts from many different brands, that if they're too synthetic, they can be kind of sticky or slick after a while on the skin. So we'll see how this goes. This is my first one. Small logo down below, not too crazy. So goal is pretty neutral and balanced looking here. Alright, not bad. Sleeves aren't gun show too much. They're not tight. Pretty good. Cool color. Gray shorts, gray shirt might be too much, but they're different shades. Can you do that or not? Business on top, party on bottom. Is that how we do it? Not bad. I needed another kind of video camera outfit, so next top up. So collared shirt, professional enough for most occasions. So far so good. I like this brand. I have no sponsorship with them. I have nothing to do with them. This is one of the brands that I like. So if you like my video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to follow, subscribe to the channel, check out my other links. Lots of fun. Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye everyone.